If you're losing sleep because your husband snores, you're not alone. Snoring affects millions of couples around the world, and it's one of the most common causes of nighttime frustration, exhaustion, and even relationship tension. But here's the truth. Snoring isn't just a noise problem. It's often a health problem. In this video, we'll explore what causes snoring, how to identify the underlying issues, and most importantly, what you can do, step by step, to help your partner stop snoring and start sleeping better. Snoring occurs when air can't move freely through the nose and throat during sleep. This causes the surrounding tissues to vibrate, and that vibration is what we hear as snoring. Some of the most common causes include nasal congestion or allergies, sleeping on the back, which makes the tongue fall backward and block airflow, being overweight, which adds extra tissue around the airway, alcohol consumption before bed, which relaxes throat muscles too much, smoking, which irritates the airways, and in more serious cases, sleep apnea, where breathing actually stops for short periods during sleep. Understanding the cause is the first step toward finding the right solution. Now let's talk about what you can do to help your husband and yourself finally get a quiet night's rest. 1. Change sleep position. Encourage him to sleep on his side instead of his back. You can use a body pillow to support the side position, or even a gentle anti-snore pillow that keeps the head slightly elevated. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra tissue around the neck and throat can narrow the airway. Even a small weight loss can significantly reduce or stop snoring in many people. 3. Avoid alcohol and sedatives before bed. Alcohol, sleeping pills, and sedatives relax throat muscles, increasing the chances of snoring. Try to avoid these substances for at least 4 hours before bedtime. 4. Keep the bedroom air clean and moist. Dry air irritates the nasal passages. Using a humidifier or essential oil diffuser can make breathing easier. 5. Address nasal congestion. If snoring is caused by nasal blockage, saline sprays, nasal strips, or decongestants may help. But always check with a doctor before using medication regularly. 6. Establish a regular sleep routine. Going to bed and waking up at consistent times helps reduce snoring. Exhaustion can worsen snoring because deep sleep leads to more relaxed muscles. 7. Encourage medical evaluation. If snoring is loud, consistent, or accompanied by pauses in breathing, gasping, or choking, it could be sleep apnea. In that case, professional diagnosis and treatment are essential. Doctors may recommend a sleep study, CPAP machine, or minor surgical adjustments to open the airway. Now, I know, telling your partner that they're snoring is a problem can be sensitive. Approach the conversation with care and empathy. Instead of saying, "You keep me awake every night," try saying, "I'm worried because you don't seem to sleep well, and I notice you stop breathing sometimes." This makes it about health, not blame. Remember, both of you want the same thing: peaceful rest and good health. If lifestyle changes don't work, it's time to involve a doctor, an ear, nose, and throat specialist, or a sleep medicine expert can identify the exact cause. With proper diagnosis, treatment options like oral appliances, continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, or minor procedures can completely stop chronic snoring. Ignoring persistent snoring can lead to daytime fatigue, mood swings, high blood pressure, and strained relationships. So take it seriously. Snoring doesn't have to destroy your peace or your marriage. With patience, communication, and the right solutions, you can turn sleepless nights into quiet, healthy rest. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone struggling with snoring in their relationship. Together, we can make every night peaceful again.